let's do a quick roll test. Okay, it rolls very smoothly and it doesn't wobble or make that screeching sound. So next up we have the Mr. Hyped of this case. So this is from the Fast and Furious movie, and it is under the HW screen time. This is the Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 32. Yeah. So let's puncture this blister and let's get this car out. See, as I told you in the initial impression video, I just wanted it because of the black color. I had another color with me, so I wanted this color as well. Okay. Out of the blister, and we are back to the normal chassis, but they have pretty neat details in the front and at the back. You can see the exhaust and you can see the name Nissan Skyline GTR. Here it says R32, and here it says BNR 32. Nice. Okay, let's move on to the side. It looks a bit of grayish color and it has very nice wheels. It has rear view mirrors, no livery as such. Nice detailing at the rear. You can see the GTR badging the Skyline. Let me zoom in. Okay. So this has this shimmer effect on this car. That's why it looks like this. I don't know, even after being the stock car, no livery as such, why they have not given the front details. That's pretty, I don't know what to say, unexpected from Hot Wheels. Look at this. Now it looks black, and again it has changed the color to grayish, shimmery gray. You have the interiors almost in dark gray color. Pretty good interiors. Okay, just hold on a sec. So this casting was first produced in 2019, and the designer is Jun Imai. He's a great designer. The Nissan Skyline GTR R32 is a Hot Wheel casting which debuted in 2019, as I said, under the Nissan series. It is based on an actual production version of the Nissan Skyline, which was produced between 1989 and 1994. So this Hot Wheels vehicle is based on the stock Skyline GTR BNR R32, while a modified version of the same was released in 2002. Okay, and the color scheme that we are following here is black. All right, pretty nice, interesting casting, and the stock look is very premium, and to me it appeals a lot. And I didn't have any good black color Hot Wheels car. So the wheels are the MC5 type of wheel. Okay, and it's in gray color. So that's it about this whole car. And see, don't fall for the hype. Okay, if you really like it, get it. I just wanted it in a stock black color, and I didn't have any black car from Hot Wheels, so I got this one. But it is not exactly black, I'll tell you that. Okay, so that's it from today's video. I hope you like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take very good care of yourself. Happy collecting and happy life. Spend wisely. Ba, 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 ba.